we're going to talk about another interesting ICO called Traxion. What is Traxion, guys? So Traxion is another blockchain-based financial system where you can send, receive, lend, or borrow money. It is a financial infrastructure that aims to help the everyday users. Basically, Traxion works like an online bank where you can do things like sending and receiving of payments anywhere in the world, peer-to-peer lending, and it can also be used for purchasing goods and services. You can pay your bills, making savings, and giving donations. And Traxion will also going to create an ecosystem for traditional businesses and non-profit organizations into one single crypto economic space. So Traxion is also going to reach out financial services for both bank and unbanked people in the world while maintaining at a maximum security, transparent, low cost, and fast transactions. So I think there are about 2 billion, according to statistics, there are about 2 billion adults which is unbanked. So this is also good for the unbanked people to participate in the blockchain. And then, although the idea of the Traxion ICO is not new to you guys, but because there are many ICOs for financial services already, so Traxion already have some competitions, but most of those ICOs are using the standard Ethereum smart contracts. So Ethereum is the most popular that is being used today by new ICOs. The standard Ethereum smart contracts, which is only suitable for direct peer-to-peer transactions, while Traxion is the first ICO that offers financial services based on the latest Hyperledger fabric by Linux Foundation, which is also used by the IBM. So unlike the typical Ethereum smart contract, Hyperledger fabric is better in terms of security, confidentiality. Therefore, it is suitable for connecting businesses that value security and confidentiality. So the Hyperledger fabric is also the best system for the ICO like Traxion. So aside from security and confidentiality, Traxion is also complied with the laws. So complying to the law is also their top priority. So all the users that will use any of the platform in the Traxion ecosystem needs to do KYC checks or know your customer checks. Okay, let's move on to the project development or the roadmap. Here you go. Okay, before the token sale, Traxion already completed some of its milestones in the promised ecosystem and have a working products now. This is what I like about this ICO. The project development is right on track and doing great. Their first milestone that completed is the Traxion Hub. When you go to the website traxionhub.com, you can see that Traxion Hub is a website that helps new startups, new and idea by the way of using the Hyperledger fabric. So the Traxion Hub already helps several startup ideas, and one product of this is Java Gibbs, which is also a part of the Traxion ecosystem. So Java Gibbs, this is the website. Java Gibbs is a website for fundraising or donations. It is purely non-profit website. The sole purpose of this website is philanthropy acts from people willing to donate. Okay, moving on to the next milestone that is already finished. It is called Traxion Pay. So Traxion Pay is a payment platform and an online wallet where you can send or receive payments whether you are online or offline. Traxion Pay is also accessible through famous financial services such as PayPal and credit cards, along with some famous financial services in the Philippines. So if you're a Filipino, you know the services below. So everyone from the Philippines that is involved into cryptocurrency is using coins.ph. So it is a big thumbs up for Traxion to be partnered up with coins.ph. Okay, let's go back to the project development. So after the token sale, the second quarter of this year will be the implementation of the Traxion wallet capability, where it is expected to support 3 functions such as making payments, remittance, and giving donations. And then third quarter will be the enhancement of fundraising platform like Java Gives. Then moving on to the end of 2018, they will launch a crypto trading wallet. And early 2019, the white label remittance portal. So this is to help existing businesses to do transactions using the Hyperledger technology. And then late of 2019 is peer-to-peer lending. Okay, now let's see how the experts rate Traxion. So okay, we will go to website ICO Bench. So the project has been posted last March 13, that is 4 days ago. For now, they already been rated an average score of 4.6 out of 5 from 4 experts. But mind you, 4.6 is already a big score in ICO Bench. Okay, let's move on to the team. So the CEO, Ms. Ann Quisha, have around 18 years of experience in the IT industry, and she is a founder of different startups such as Parasure, a website for financial advisors, Nivostech, a cybersecurity solution website, and Java Gives. She is also the founder of Java Gives. Anyway, I have no question about the experience of the CEO of Traxion. And they also have, aside from a good team, they also have good advisors like Nathan Christian. I think it is not updated here in ICO Bench. I don't see Nathan here. Nathan is one of the top successful advisors here at ICO Bench and one of the big names in blockchain. They also have guy like Yubi Benjamin. Yubi is the founder of Token OS, an operating system for open banking that features smart tokenization. Yubi also a blockchain expert and have tons of experience in various industries, especially in fintech. Okay, too many to mention, but overall Traxion also have a solid team. So that ends my review.